What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. Thanks for clicking on the video. We got Banshee go boom today. Yep, this thing doesn't have an hour runtime on it. Brand new cool head, brand new top end, brand new cylinders, garbage, electron carburetors. Yes, I hate electron carburetors. You will never ever hear me saying anything good about them. But it's not the carburetors that ate this motor up. It is the wrist pin bearing decided to leave the chat. So further on in the video, as I get this thing tore apart, you will see exactly what happened. To me, my experience says the left side wrist pin bearing was never replaced. If it was replaced, I've never seen one not last longer than an hour. This thing was mixed 32-1, and it was running rich as can be. With fresh port work, you should not have black exhaust ports. These exhaust ports with an hour runtime are black. You can't see the mirror polish on them. As you can see, the domes are absolutely wrecked. The one on the right is the left side, which, here you go. Looks kinda sketchy. And oh, what a gouge. And yes, that is a bearing. Went through the transfer port and destroyed the cylinder. These are Nicosil plated. They are not steel sleeves. So basically, the cylinder's done. For the ha-has, well, as you can see, I'm not putting anything on these studs. There was only 4 studs. I had to use a wrench for a little bit of a twist to get these things to break loose. These studs are supposed to be in tight, but they're not. They're finger tight. It's just another day in the life of Sawyer Custom. This is what we do here. We take stuff that people say they fixed, and we fix it. We take stuff that people say it ran a couple of weeks ago, a couple of months ago. It ran when I parked it. We make it run. Race parts, race work, race builds. Banshee's just going to be another victim of the Sawyer Custom building. We have a lot of fun here with our motor builds. We carve our initials into the sides of the cylinders when we do good work. And of course, if it's a motor build, we got to have a lot of fun with that. We make videos, show you guys what's going on in the shop. You're curious on how to do something, all you got to do is ask. I may not know everything, I may not know a lot of things, but we get her done here anyways. That's for sure. I'm not afraid to ask questions, and I'm not afraid to say I screwed up. This here, it's a wrist pin bearing failure. I can't say it's the builder's fault unless the builder didn't replace the wrist pin. Part failures happen. It's just part of the game of being a mechanic. Not everything through the production lines is perfect. That bearing, there's no bearing left in there. It's all gone. It's in the bottom of the crank. It blew out the exhaust. It destroyed the piston. Yep, is what it is. Another day, another dollar. Get her done. Appreciate the views. Appreciate the watch time. You guys make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss this build. We're going to have this motor out of here apart and going back together. Going to be a Sawyer Custom special build. We're going to make her fast. We're going to make her scream. And the customer's going to be happy. Y'all have a great day. Appreciate it.